So let's see that how you can see the profile picture of a person on Instagram if he has posted a story. I know it's so irritating when you click on the profile picture of someone and you just see their story. So let's move forward. For seeing the story of someone, let me first of all go to the profile of that person who has posted a story. For example, this is the one and I want to watch his full profile picture. And if I tap on his profile picture, I am able to see a story. And if I swipe down and again click on his picture, I am still seeing that story. So now for seeing his full profile picture, you have to just tap and hold on the picture. This is the trick here. If you tap and hold on the picture, you will able to see the full profile picture even if they have posted the story. If I tap and hold on the picture, I am able to see the full profile picture. So that's how you do it. If you have any of the questions, let me know. Don't forget to watch out this video tutorial in the end screen. I will see you there. Thank you so much.